And here's something we rarely hear about these days, a company buying back shares. AutoZone saying it now has authorization from its board to buy back an additional $500 million worth of common stock. So what does this tell us about the health of the company? Let's bring in Bloomberg's Zara Burton to find out. And Zara, everybody else is trying to shore up capital. This one isn't. How come?
Well, it's definitely an anomaly, Mark, given the surge we've seen in capital raises, whether it's through selling stock, issuing debt. Even companies that usually buy back shares, they're deferring some of these programs. And Barini Associates was kind enough to put together this chart for me. If you look at buybacks so far this year compared to last year, you can see there's an 80% fall off since last year. But the difference here is that AutoZone has been benefiting because of the recession. People weren't buying cars, they're repairing them instead. You look at the earnings growing 20% or more for 3 of the past 4 quarters. So it can do this buyback. The CFO crediting the company's strong financial health. Shareholders, they've reaped the reward. Look at the stock for the past 12 months. There you can see up about 34%. Also, this is the company's 19th buyback in the last 10 years. Just looking at the trade today, you can see there's actually a 4-point difference between the low and the high. And Barini Associates was actually saying that this is typical on the day after the buyback is announced. In fact, on average, there's a spread of about 4% from low to high. So traders may have been able to profit by buying here on this dip, hoping you can see this line here, buying here on this dip right here. You're seeing it go right up here, and then it's actually coming right back down again. So one way to have made money today, Mark.
Then, Zara, what about the long-term outlook? Is this a good thing?
That they're buying back shares. Well, one of the analysts was talking to me about this a while ago, and give me credit, actually, was saying that this is, in AutoZone's case, it's not necessarily a good thing because they're actually using borrowed money to buy back some of these shares. So they don't think that's a good sign as well. A lot of the analysts, too, most of them are actually saying, you know what, hold this stock. It's not necessarily a buy, Mark.
Bloomberg's Zara Burton joining us. Zara, thanks.